Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and welcome to my new absolute favorite hangout spot, my Apex Garden gazebo. This gazebo was really straightforward to set up. It took my husband about 2 hours to complete it. Something that makes this gazebo stand out among other temporary gazebos is the fact that the corners and the framework are all made of metal. This makes it much more stable, secure, and sturdy. We live in an area where it can get fairly windy, but we have found that this gazebo holds up great through moderate wind gusts. We are so happy with where we live. It is so beautiful and scenic, but one thing that keeps us from spending time outdoors is the fact that there are so many mosquitoes and bugs here. We really appreciate the mosquito netting that completely encases this gazebo. It has been extremely effective at keeping bugs away from us and away from whatever food and drink we're enjoying. Another bonus is that if we're outside enjoying the gazebo and it starts to rain a little bit, we do not have to cut our outdoor time short because this gazebo will keep us dry. It makes such an amazing outdoor space to just relax and chill in. It is just such a gift to be able to go outside and to enjoy hearing the birds, the rustling leaves, and the gentle breeze without being harassed by bugs. If there happens to be a day where the bugs aren't too bad and we want to open up the mosquito netting to have a bit of a clearer view, we can easily tie the corners of the mosquito netting and have it more open. Thanks to this Apex Garden gazebo, we finally feel like we're able to enjoy our backyard. And that's my point of view.